Ever think how a salty, fatty meal could mess with your pressure, brain, or heart? Inside a healthy vessel, blood flows easy, walls are flexible, and pressure is steady. But when you eat lots of salt, like fries, your bloodstream fills with sodium. To balance the salt, your body pulls in water and blood volume rises. That extra volume raises pressure. With more blood and pressure, your vessels stretch like overfilled balloons. Now add a fatty meal. Cholesterol starts circulating. Over time, it sticks to tiny cracks in the vessel wall, especially where it's already under stress, and hardens into plaque. The vessel narrows. Blood now has to push harder through stiff, narrow arteries. That's high blood pressure. And now, the heart must work overtime. That constant strain thickens the heart muscle, reduces oxygen, and sets the stage for a heart attack. In the brain, pressure stretches a weakened artery. A silent danger builds. Until one day, it bursts. Blood leaks into the brain. That's a stroke. So yes, your lunch might look harmless, right? But it could quietly raise your risk for stroke or a heart attack. Good news though, it's all reversible. Cut the salt, swap the fat, and protect your brain, heart, and arteries. Curious if your genes make this worse? Follow at healthcode.gene for part 2, where we break down your salt sensitivity gene.